This is the only real channel. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. Another all channels fake. They took my videos and edit and upload on the YouTube to scam innocent people. So be aware from that. So yeah, and here's the wallet. Okay, right click and get inspect. Just it's a few steps away, like this. Open the script and just copy that. Always sit there and console, then clear everything from here and just paste with control V. Okay, press the enter button. Box pops up open here, and here's our hash ID, unconfirmed transaction hash ID. I was put on the thumbnail, it was 3000, but it's not 3000, it's 2247, maybe near close to it. Paste it, click OK, or and as you see what's that, I can't read that. Okay, then click OK, once again OK, and then just close everything from here. Just refresh the wallet and see the magic. As you can see here, our payment received successfully. Let me show you the date. It's Wednesday 12th November 2025. Okay, let us refresh that again. Okay, Wednesday 12th November 2025, and here's our transaction. It will confirm in maximum 1 hour. Let's see, maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see. Yeah, it's not confirmed, but it will confirm very soon. So wait for a few moments. Sorry, I don't know what the fuck. And here's the channel. If you wanted to subscribe it for more related videos. So take care of yourself. Goodbye. See you in the next video.